When you think of the stock market, what comes to mind? Money, investments, trade, the potential to lose everything, or some mumbo jumbo that makes absolutely no sense. But what if you are looking to grow your money and you want to invest? Where does one begin in such a madhouse? The answer is you've got to educate yourself. An online offering called StockShop thinks it can help. The platform tries to explain the intricacies of starting an investment journey, helps you learn how to assess whether a stock is right for you, and then conveniently offers to sell you some products too. So Annabelle, your typical South African is not really into the stock exchange and the stock market, but have you seen a peak in the interest of South Africans since your website launched?
I would say a lot more South Africans are actually into the stock market than we think. They just don't know how to vocalize it. They don't know who to go to talk to about it. They don't know who to trust, because often the stock market's seen as a place where it's a bit fearful, it's a bit opaque, no one really knows what's happening there. But I think what's happening now with the way the economy is moving, the fact that a lot of South Africans are living on credit and are highly indebted, they're looking for other ways to utilize their money or get more benefit out of their money. And I think they are turning to saving and investing and the stock market as a whole.
So as you developed StockShop, what were your key targets?
So our key target as a business really is to grow the base of people that invest their money in the stock market, invest or save. And the way we wanted to do that was to give anyone who is interested access to the right tools for their needs, the right education tools, the right guidance, the right help, access to the right financial service providers, their products, because there's some phenomenal products out there that aren't marketed very efficiently or just people never hear about.
The market is full of jargon that can send your head into a spin. So Annabelle, how can StockShop help me decipher everything?
On our main homepage, at the bottom here we have a filter that shows you whether you're a beginner, an investor, a student, a trader. If you pick one of these, it'll give you a whole lot of options on this side that says, I'm a beginner and I want to, for example, learn about the stock market.
Cool.
And you click go and it'll take you into the learning section of our site. And what this holds is all the beginner's guides from all the various companies. So for example, say we wanted to go into the JSE's beginner's guides, because as we know the JSE is the exchange, so they should have a lot of great content. They've got their top 10 guides. If you go through, you'll see a list of the guides that you can then go and read online or actually download a PDF or Word document of that guide. If you're more of a trader and you feel like you want to become a trader or you want to learn more about trading, you can go into the trade section of the site. And you'll see, similarly to the learn section, all the products and services related to trading itself. And if you're not a trader and you're looking for more of a passive type of investment vehicle, something that you can put your money in every month, put 300 Rand in and know that it's growing at X% or it's linked to some index that you really like the performance of, you can then come into our invest section. But I think what's really important about the site and from an education perspective is our academy. So you'll also see on the header, there's a link to our academy. And the short link is stockshop.co.za/academy and you'll go straight in. And in our academy, if you want to start learning for free, you'll enter the academy itself. And here you'll find all the courses. They've been broken down to beginner, intermediate and advanced. And that's really as simple as it is.
StockShop curates all the relevant education tools into categories such as news, research, events, webinars, and podcasts to keep you up to date on the current status of the markets. Then you'll get your products and services category, which include online share trading platforms, personal brokers, unit trusts, ETFs, ETNs, asset managers, and wealth managers. And then you get your trading tools like calculators and analysis tools, which will help you make the right decision. Why shouldn't South Africans feel intimidated playing the stock market?
The stock market isn't a fearful place because there are a lot of products and services that have been built, really, really good products for the everyday investor that don't mean you have to become a trader. And we call some of those products passive products. You can have more actively managed products where you actually get an advisor who comes in. On stockshop.co.za, you'll be able to see a wide variety of products with different risk profiles depending on your risk appetite and who you are and what you can afford to invest. Then see what, over and above what you're currently paying, you could then put into the market or you could put into some type of investment vehicle.
Don't let the mumbles in the stock jungle scare you. Educating yourself makes investing your money much less of a gamble. And who knows, investing your money could be the beginning of a better, more lucrative life.